dear friends and fellow students. Today we are going to start with the types of writing as we have already discussed the writing skills. Now we should know what different styles we can carry to write different types of writings. Here we have the main types of writing. The first one is descriptive writing, second narrative writing, then expository writing and persuasive writing. Today we will start with the first one, that is descriptive writing. When we are going to define it, the descriptive writing describes a person, place or thing in such a way that a picture is formed in the reader's mind. Try to understand it. Why we use descriptive writing? It is like we have to explain in our sentence, in our text or in a paragraph that about a person, a place or a thing. The way we will explain, we will add such words to describe that how it will be possible for a reader to understand it better. We have to use such words, we have to add such description that reader can understand your mind, your words. It has a unique power and appeal as it evokes sight, smells, sounds, textures and tastes. Try to understand that why descriptive writing is important, because it is attraction and appeal for the readers. How? Because it really vibrate their sense of sight, smell, sound, texture and taste. How? With the words what you have added in your statement or sentences. Using description in your writing brings the world within your text to your reader. So, the description in your writing, it will bring the whole world in your text. How it will bring the whole world in your few words of text? Because of your descriptive words that will better explain the noun, the person or the place or the thing, so it is clearly understandable and attractive for the reader. Now let's see how we can write descriptive essay. What are the rules? What is the strategy? Thing is that first step, you have to choose the topic. For descriptive essay, you have to choose a topic, single event or a person, location or an item. Okay, you have to talk about certain topic. After choosing the topic, then step 2, you have to create a statement. Form the sentences. Okay, then get the senses right. After forming sentences, the statements, you have to add the senses over there according to the need, according to the topic to make it descriptive. Create an outline. Always you have to create the outline of the essay before starting it. That is the planning. So how you are going to write it in a sequence. Write the conclusion. So at the end of the descriptive writing, there you have to add few lines in a last paragraph. That will be the conclusion. The ending you have to add. That will be just the end, the closing of the topic. Review your essay after writing anything. You have to review it perfectly and then finish it up. Now you understand it. So I have an example of descriptive essay. Let's see what they have done and what they have used over here. They have used sense of sight somewhere, smell, sound, touch and taste and other descriptive properties. Let's see. I will start from here because that one is the highlighted part. She was horribly burnt. Her eyes were shut. Her paws were blackened and her fur was threaded all over the body. Now let's see. Her paws were blackened. Okay, so why added blackened over here? To clarify the condition of the paws, so the visual power can help the readers to understand how the paws will look. Okay, talking about fur, they are also adding the descriptive word so the reader can better understand the condition of the fur. In some places you could see her skin. They are talking about the skin that is covered, that is really rodent. That skin was rodent skin. That is a type of skin. This word can better explain how the skin was showing through the burnt fur. She was too dash to move anymore, too weak to move anymore. The writer can simply say she was unable to move, but that will be not attractive, so the writer is adding weak to describe the word move better. Okay, so these words are helping us to clarify the statements, sentences, and make them attractive. I went over to her slowly, talking dash as I approached, silently as I approached. Just I can say talking as I approached, but no, to explain talking silently is added that will clarify the reader that uh, that the writer was so calm and quiet at that time. He was just talking about some few important things. He was unable to talk properly. So silently means in a very low voice he was talking. I figured that she was wild cat. Now just not cat, but the descriptive word is added. Okay, now look over here. She cried in pain. She cried. You can say badly, you can say loud, blunt, such words you can add to describe the word how the pain was. But she didn't struggle. The poor animal reeked burnt fur and flesh. She gave me a look of utter exhaustion. So you can read it properly and you can understand how the writer has made the sentences attractive and clarify by adding senses and descriptive words. Now here I have few sentences. You have to do what? Read them all properly and you have to make each sentence attractive by adding descriptive adjective. Description we always get by adding adjective and sometimes adverbs. So you have to make it attractive by adding such adjective that are related and that can clarify these statements very well. You will write it on a piece of a paper and you will submit in your Google Classroom before the submission date. Besides this, you have to also write an essay according to the rules about a village life. Write it on a piece of paper and submit. Before writing, remember 3 paragraphs. You have to make 3 paragraphs. The first paragraph will only tell introduction about the topic, that is village life. Second paragraph will describe the village life actually with the sentences that will be basically descriptive sentences, remember, okay? And then the last paragraph will be the conclusion. The conclusion will be the ending of the whole essay. Hope it will be very easy and interesting for you. Just do it comfortably. Don't get panicked that you have got a tough topic this time. No, it will be really interesting. Write in a simple way and I will check and give you feedback, inshallah. Take your time. Enjoy your writing. Bye-bye.